So when I failed my A-levels, the aspiration went out the window. Until I got to university, I then realized the impact it would have on me. My mum was just disappointed when I realized, you sacrificed so much for me and I've let you down. My mum, she goes to a local school, she speaks about women's rights. What we didn't realize is Talama would find out and it'd be an execution order. And just like that, my life changed. It was an 18 months journey through so many countries, not knowing what tomorrow looks like. I kind of felt like I was plucked from Afghanistan, in UK, in Cardiff, in a local school, and it was scary. So my older brother Hussein, he was in university already, and he said, look, you like computers, with a foundation degree in USW, computer science, what do you think? I think the first thing is people have this perception of, wow, computer science, and it sounds very powerful and distinct and scary, but in reality, it teaches the fundamental of computing, from programming, from visual, from database, current and upcoming trends. So for me, I've managed to apply all of those learnings from the USW even to today in my time at Lucy. What USW taught me accelerated my career, and to be sitting here and be working at PDC as the Chief of Staff for Operate Digital is something I have to pinch myself, be proud, but also grateful that USW allowed me to be who I am today.